I won this Sansi Light for free through their WhatsApp, so I'm super excited about it. I currently have an orchid that I have revitalized that my aunt gave me, and then that cutting is from the book reading at the Blockhouse in St. Hedwig, Texas. Those both died, so ignore those. But I have a Sansi Light underneath here, and I want to replace this whole setup. So that's what I'm gonna do. Well, I have kind of a dilemma because when I turn it on, it's flickering. But when I dim it, that works. I found this really cool device that measures the temperature, the foot candles, and all of that. Sweet. It's almost doubled the foot candles just from this light. And it was at 50 with the other one. So right there, it's at 50. I have another stand that I'm getting too. Oh boy. Great. I was saying before my orchid decided to rudely fall was I'm getting another plant stand to go here. So just kind of, so it was getting 50 with the other light. Now it's getting 4 more foot candles. This one's getting 13 more foot candles. And then my stand goes up higher. So like if they're as high as the piano here, they'll be getting over 100 foot candles, which is great. I'm super excited about that. Okay, cool. It has an auto timer, which I'm just gonna do 8 hours for now. And then tomorrow I'll turn it on for 14. Oh look, now the brightness works great. So at full brightness, oh dude, 3 times as much, almost 4. Cool. Okay, yes, that's all right. So this little light that was on the piano, I'm going to put it over here in my corner where I have my teaching stuff. All right, here's what it looks like after it's done. I have this light, this orchid, this fern that I've almost killed, but it came back and now it has like this baby. These look a little droopy. I need to water. It's just so hot I can't keep up with the watering. And I have this light I moved from the piano over here. And then this is actually a real vine that's going around. And my mom took that photo. Isn't that cool? Anyways, there we go. I love it. I should just stop and go to bed.